Okay, so you're researching American Express Green Card. Duane here with How to Build Credit TV, and in this video, we're going to have a look at the American Express Green Charge Card and if this is a card that's worth getting. But before we get started, I have a quick. Once again, my name is Duane with How to Build Credit TV, and on this channel, we talk about everything you need to know about credit, whether you're looking to establish credit, build credit, rebuild credit, or learn more about the Fico Score and how it is comprised so you can increase your credit score. We also talk about how to get cash back, actual cash money from using credit cards, as well as credit card reviews. If this sounds like something in which you're interested, be sure to subscribe to our channel by clicking the word subscribe below this video to the right and click that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Okay, so you're interested in getting possibly a charge card from American Express. So we're gonna have a closer look at the green charge card that American Express has to offer and if this card is worth getting if you're considering getting a charge card from American Express. What we're gonna do for this portion of the video is I'm gonna jump on my laptop so we can have a closer look at this particular credit card at the American Express website. So give me 1 second and I'll see you over on my laptop. Okay, so we're at the American Express website to have a look at the American Express Green Card. Now, this is a charge card. This is not a credit card. So in other words, you are responsible for paying off the bill every single month. Once again, this is a charge card, not a credit card. You cannot have a balance and pay it monthly. This card requires payment every single month and to be paid in full every single month. So we're here at the website, and as you can see here, it says special offer for you. So depending on when you're applying for this particular card from American Express, the American Express Green Card, this offer may not be valid. So keep that in mind as you're watching this video. So right here it says earn 25,000 membership reward points after you spend $1,000 on purchases on your new card in your first 3 months. This offer may not be available if you leave the web page and return later, okay? Of course, they're talking to me, right? So when it comes to this particular card, the American Express Green Card, as you can see here on the left, there's no annual fee. There is no annual fee for the first year. And then, of course, there's a $95 annual fee after the first year. So that's something you definitely want to keep in mind, depending on why you're getting this card. The sign-up bonus may not be the best reason to get this card because there are other cards that American Express offer that have a better sign-up bonus. Of course, you're going to spend some more money, but the sign-up bonus is better or higher so that you can redeem it and get better travel or accommodations regarding using your membership reward points that you get initially for meeting the spending requirement when you first get this card. Now, there are no interest charges, of course, because you pay your balance in full each month. So it actually says that for you guys right here, and that's, like I said, something that you definitely want to keep in mind. So let's take a look here. As you can see, it says reward your life with the confidence of green. You're going to actually earn 2 times the point when you reserve travel through amextravel.com. So that's one good thing to know. And then you're going to get 1 times the point for every eligible dollar you spend. So that's basically 2 times the points for getting travel through American Express and 1 times the point for just spending money normally as you would on your credit card. So it says right here on the right, membership rewards pay with points. You can use membership rewards points for all or part of your flight, hotel booked and paid in advance, vacation, or cruise booking with American Express Travel. So basically all of the points that you're going to be redeeming, the membership reward points that you're going to be redeeming, you can redeem it through American Express Travel, and you can redeem it for your hotel, you can redeem it for your flight, you can redeem it for your cruise booking, basically anything that has to do with travel that American Express offers on their website, which is amextravel.com. So it talks about travel benefit here. Of course, it talks about car rental loss and damage insurance. There's a lot of information that this card offers, and there's a lot on the site. So if you guys are interested in getting this card, I would encourage you to come here and definitely read through some of the benefits that you get for getting this American Express Green Card, Green Charge Card. So I'm not gonna go through every single part just because it just doesn't make a lot of sense for me to do that, because you guys can check that out for yourself. But I do want to point out a couple of things. So let's continue scrolling here and I'll show you guys. It says shopping and entertainment benefits. So this is pretty cool. It says dropped your phone, question mark. Sometimes the unexpected happens, but when you use your card for eligible purchases, it's nice to know that theft and accidental damage can be covered by purchase protection. So that is actually really good. It says up to 90 days and $1,000 per occurrence. $50,000 per calendar year. So of course, this is something that is very good because I don't know about you, but my phone is jacked up. As a matter of fact, my phone screen is really bad right now. I need to get a new iPhone, and I'll probably get one this year. So that's pretty good that you get that benefit from having the American Express green card. And then it talks about return protection. It says, wasn't a perfect match? No worries. If you try to return an eligible item purchased with your card within 90 days from the date of purchase and the merchant won't take it back, return protection may provide a refund. So that's actually, once again, another great benefit, which is why I wanted to go over that. It says limited to $300 per item and $1,000 per calendar year. Purchases must be made in the U.S. and its territories. Of course, it talks about warranty. It says, did your warranty run out? So guys, once again, they're providing a lot of value for you here. There's a lot of different things that you get to benefit from by just having the American Express green card. And then it talks about, of course, American Express offers here, rewards you at places you like to shop, dine, travel, and more. So once again, there's a lot of benefits to having this card, and there's a lot of information on this particular website. It says apply today and get a decision in as little as 30 seconds. So if you're interested in getting this particular card, the American Express Green Card or the American Express Green Charge Card, definitely want to come to the website and take your time and do your research. This is not a bad card to get. It's a pretty decent card as far as just starting a relationship with American Express. And so if that's where you are, then I would encourage you to get this card just so that you can have a card and then you can move on from there. Thanks for watching this portion of the video, and I'll see you guys back in just 1 second. Thanks for watching this video about the American Express Green Charge Card. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. It helps our channel quite a bit. And if you'd like to share this video with somebody that may find it helpful, please feel free to do so. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please consider doing so, because on this channel, we talk about everything you need to know about credit, whether you're looking to establish credit, build credit, rebuild credit, or learn more about the Fico Score and how it is comprised so you can increase your credit score. We also talk about how to get cash back, actual cash money from using credit cards, and credit card reviews. So if this sounds like something in which you're interested, please be sure to subscribe to our channel and click that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Once again, my name is Duane with How to Build Credit TV, and I approve this video. I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, take care and be blessed. Peace.